Leisure for Pleasure, celebrating a quarter century of service. 25 years. The Chief Executive Officer, Judith James-Watts, and Assistant Sales and Marketing Manager, Tomeika Flemmings, are here to talk about how you can make your next vacation experience truly worthwhile with their services. Ladies, good morning.
Good morning.
I can say I've used them, and they are fantastic. From the first time Judith came on the show, which was many years ago.
Yes, yes.
25 years. How does that feel? Congrats.
Actually, it's moving to 27, you know. We're 27 in May of this year.
Then, you have 25.
Over 25.
Over 25, so
Yes.
27 this year.
Yes.
Wow. What led you to start the company, and what do you think you've managed to maintain for so long?
A passion for travel, a passion for serving. I love travel, and so it's just in me.
Is there anywhere you haven't been? No, seriously.
I have not been to South Africa, and I have not been to Hawaii. Those are on my bucket list still.
Yes.
Yes.
Have to fix that.
But I've been to many places.
Yeah.
But,
and business has been good in those 27 years?
a lot of rough times. You know, we went through 9/11. We went through COVID. Now there's Melissa.
Yep.
And so we thank God that He's helped to pilot us through these difficult seasons.
Fantastic.
You know, so God has been good to us.
I'm glad you're still here. Tomeika, there are lots of folks watching now who are like, Leisure for Pleasure. Now we're in the open down our country, but you're saying hello.
Yes, of course, Jamaica is open and ready for business. It's ready for you guys. It's ready to give you great experiences. We have, and it's not just our hotels, we have our tours and our villas who are ready for you, and we're here to give you at great prices.
Yeah.
From our Teachers Day packages or Heroes Weekend, everything, we have it and we're ready for you.
You'd have a media workers package.
We can
Nice
create
and
one.
working hard for all of us. Yes, we'd love to hear about
We
it.
have a package for every pocket.
A package for
Every pocket.
I love that. All right. So for viewers watching today, maybe planning a group trip or a special event, why should they reach out to you guys first?
Okay.
Well, of course, you know, Leisure for Pleasure, it's in the name. We take the stress out of booking and we add a little fun and we create great packages for you. So for instance, you want something for your birthday, your anniversary, reunion, even your big groups, we have it for you. And we can do the accommodation, the transfer, the tour, the activities. All you have to do is just show up and have fun.
Is there something you want to show us here? Let's take a look at this video. Is there a video? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's have a look.
Discover adventure with Leisure for Pleasure Holidays and Tours. Enjoy local tours, fun days, catamaran cruises, all-inclusive day passes, resort weddings, hotel getaways, honeymoon, anniversary, conference, and reunions. Explore overseas adventures to the Dominican Republic, Panama, Peru, the Caribbean, plus worldwide vacations. To book your local or global adventures, contact Leisure for Pleasure Holidays and Tours, 876-676-6066. One click or call does it all.
So if you let me one get up with that chair and go straight jump into one of those images on the screen.
No problem.
But Judith, persons are looking on and seeing some of those images and saying, I can't afford that. But you guys say package for every pocket.
Yes.
So economy, you have a low budget.
Yes,
What
yes.
kind of vacation can I
As
get?
a matter of fact, you know, I saw that we have a one-day getaway for under $3,000. Understand me?
No way.
Of course. So therefore, we say to our people, not just locals, there is something for everybody. Just save up some of your lunch money and head out. You know, there are one-day trips. You have local tours. You have day passes.
Yes.
Then you also have hotels that are non-inclusives. So we have a lot. People just don't know. So that's why it's our job to let people know.
That's why we're here today. Tomeika, tell me about the overseas tours, please.
Of course, because guess what? We want everybody to explore the world. Say you want to see Lima, say you want to see Machu Picchu, you want to see Bogota, or even if you just want to see the Panama Canal and, you know, do some shopping, we have that for you. And just like our local tours, Mrs. Watts said, we have a package for every pocket. So just call us and we'll curate it for you and you just enjoy yourself.
Yeah, you had me at shopping. But it's not only here in Jamaica or by airplane. They take care of you guys too with the cruises. Let's have a look at this and then we can talk some more about that.
Leisure for Pleasure Holidays and Tours invites you to book your next amazing cruise vacation. Mother's Day, Labor Day, Emancipendence, Heroes Weekend, Christmas, or New Year. Join us on the Errol Rattray Evangelistic Association 25th Anniversary Celebration Caribbean Cruise, August 16th to 23rd, 2026. Enjoy fellowship and explore the Caribbean. Book early and and save. Contact Leisure for Pleasure Holidays and Tours, 8766766066.
So that's a special event that's coming up.
Yes.
But cruises in particular
Yes.
are something you offer.
Yes.
Where to?
All over the world. Okay?
Really?
I myself have been to Alaska and several Caribbean cruises.
No, go Alaska. You don't feel the same?
It is so peaceful.
Where would I be going?
No,
I'm cold.
One of my best trips was Alaska. It just felt
Really?
at peace with God. It just was so relaxing. And so I encourage persons, it's like a hotel at sea. Understand? Everything's on the ship.
City on the sea.
Right.
Yeah.
So this year we're having it's like a new launch of our cruises. So we have Labor Day getaway, Mother's Day, Emancipendence.
Where do we cruise on
Heroes
Mother's
Weekend.
Day? This is May.
Okay.
That's the closest one to us.
Well, we have options.
Okay.
We have non-US visa options that sails from Panama, and we have visa options that sails from Florida or Tampa.
Interesting.
Okay, so persons can plan from now and contact us to take their parents or just them to get away. An optional vacation experience.
Mother's Day,
Mother's
Labor
Day, Labor, Emancipendence, Heroes, and Christmas. Plus, if you're having a holiday like for example, if you're having a graduation, celebration, anniversary, birthday, honeymoon, excellent choices to just get away and take a difference.
I'm glad you're giving us the holy but notice because folks want to cruise and they don't know how and did not know that some of these cruises you don't need no US visa to be able to go and have a good time. The Errol Rattray Evangelist Association 25th anniversary, that's something you're promoting specially?
Yes, actually I'm on the committee, so basically it's our 25th anniversary for the ministry. There's a lot in Jamaica, rescuing the boys, the boys' conferences, and various things. So this anniversary is a celebration for 25 years and help us to raise funds as well for the ministry work. The work of the Lord has to get done, and it's a way of also helping that to get done. So we invite persons to come on board, enjoy fellowship. We're having seminars at sea. We're going to be going into the islands, a little ministry time. There's going to be a lot of fun. Meet some new people, make some friends, explore the world. Don't be contained to just little Jamaica. So we are here to help persons to know that they can indeed come. It's a group cruise. The persons who are afraid of traveling alone, they can just contact us and we can help them through.
You do ministry work. Now I understand why your blessings are so taught. Tomeika, any travel tips that we need to have, even as we book through you, that we need to know whether we're staycating or vacating?
My biggest tip is definitely to book early. When you book early, you lock in good rates. And it also ensures that you have availability at a lot of these properties, a lot of these tours. And also, with booking early, you get to have a payment plan. That way you don't have to come up with a big lump sum of money. We break it down and you pay, save a little money, every mickle make a muckle, and you can enjoy yourself.
And you can go by yourself if you want to, or because I know some people, them don't want to travel with nobody.
Yeah.
They want to explore the world by themselves.
Yeah, and Mrs. Watts has a few more tips.
Yes. Yeah, I'd like to say, persons don't know credit cards is a good way of helping you to cut costs. That's why I travel all the time. Some have points. People don't know that.
True.
Understand me? So try and get a card that has travel points. You can use those points towards your air travel and just pay the tax.
Yeah.
That is a big savings.
Yeah.
So we are into savings. How we can help our clients to save, cut your costs. So therefore, service and great rates is what we pride ourselves on trying to give persons best value for the money. We also look at things like when you're traveling in your suitcase, try and put your name in the suitcase in case the suitcase gets lost. You can have a tag in the suitcase itself.
Okay.
Your weather conditions, your currencies, all those things are important. In terms of your local now, if you have an anniversary or birthday, let us know. We can try to get an upgrade for you or something special for you.
Yes.
Nice in the room.
Okay, yes. You know, I don't know if it's God sent you this morning, but I got an email yesterday about my credit card points. Booyah! I'm taking a trip. Any other services that you guys offer that we don't know about?
Yes, we have gift certificates.
Oh.
Yes, so therefore, resort weddings as well as transportation. But gift certificates, you can basically purchase something for your family members and or friends, your staff member.
And admin
week coming up soon, your boss can ask, bossy, can you give me a weekend for two?
Boss, I got a weekend for 3.
And you can also get a gift for cash. So the boss says he will have to give you $10,000. That can be utilized towards something.
Fantastic.
Understand? So we make it easy possible for persons to be able to give a gift for persons. And of course, if you don't know where you want to go, where the person wants to go, don't worry. We'll help you. When the person calls us, we'll guide them as to what to do.
Resort weddings too?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Wow. Okay, so this morning we're giving away for one lucky viewer a vacation gift voucher or a White Orchid Salon and Spa voucher at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. So one of the two. Don't be greedy. You can't get both. If you know the destination that's currently on screen, if you know the destination currently on screen,
The first person to indicate, and if they need a clue, let me give you the clue. So this location, the sun rises in the Pacific and it sets in the Atlantic all in the same day. So just whoever has it first, go ahead, send in a message to 999-2766. Send us a WhatsApp, and the first person to guess will be the winner for that 10,000 voucher.
okay, you hear? Rises in the something and land somewhere else. One place. Never real I was going on a trip. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh gosh.
Fantastic. Okay, so this is my gentle nudge. You know, folks, sometimes we work and we talk about taking a break, and then the break ends up in the hospital because we pop down. So you have, through this company, many options to travel, many places to go, and many ways to pay. So invest a little money in yourself and prop up yourself to go another day. Ladies, we have to go. Thank you for being here, and
So can they
congratulations.
contact us?
Yes, very quickly. What's the number?
Okay, it's 876-676-6066. Okay, also WhatsApp 999-2766. Okay, and we also have sales at leisureja.com. Website, leisureja.
Got it.
Awesome.
Thank you, ladies.
You're welcome.
CEO of Leisure for Pleasure Holidays and Tours Ltd, Judith James-Watts, and Tomeika Flemmings, Assistant Sales and Marketing Manager. Take a break, come back, wrap it up.